And I think Lisa, who is here, who was part of the trial, I think you, Lisa, reading about your story, you represent what's great about it and maybe what's not so great, because you went in the trial, you lost 40 pounds, and you enjoyed that, obviously, right?
I had a great experience on this medicine, and that's one of the reasons why I testified at the FDA trial advisory committee hearings, because I was a responder, and I lost a lot of weight, and it was effortless. I did not have to really do anything, and when they say it's a magic pill, I was able to stick to the diet. I was able to actually manage what I ate. I did not have any side effects. What it did was let me say, this is what I'm going to eat today, and I would be easily able to stick to that. 1,600 calories a day. The weight will fall off if you eat that, if you're overweight. And it was a magic bullet for me.
And where I will say that's the great part of the story, the maybe not so great part of the story is when you went off the pill, you gained the 40 pounds right back.
And then some.
And then some.
And the problem is that I am at risk for a lot of different things because I'm overweight now. Cardiovascular issues in and of itself, just because of being overweight. Joint issues, diabetes, all those things are potential hazards that I am facing right now. I would rather be on a drug the rest of my life that lets me lose weight and be healthy than have to get sick and then be on a drug to control that the rest of my life. That's my choice.
And the one thing, talk about this really quickly, because I think you highlight an example of, which is probably why you approved the medicine. A lot of people taking this had very modest weight reduction. Is your mindset, look, there's going to be a certain smaller subset of patients who will really benefit from this? Because my fear is that you're going to see half the country on these medicines thinking that it's the perfect magic bullet. And maybe it is for some people like Lisa, but probably not for everyone.
Right, and this was exactly the dialogue that was occurring around the table during these advisory committees, is discussion of the risks, discussion of the potential benefits, and what do you do? And I think it came down to the magnitude of the obesity epidemic is such that we need options, and we have to find a way to get them out there safely.
The takeaway here is, because we've run out of time, it's that we need to do whatever possible to battle this obesity epidemic, but I think we all agree there's no such thing as a magic bullet. These pills are not a magic bullet. They're not going to be for everyone out there. This is an individual discussion to have with your doctor. I want to thank all three of you for being here. Lisa, we wish you the best of luck.